In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel in draw.io for Confluence. We'll start from a new Confluence page, insert a draw.io diagram, build the funnel with the right shapes, and style it so it's clear, consistent, and easy to read. In Confluence, create a new page in the space where this lives and give it a clear title. With the page open in edit mode, bring up the macro menu by typing a /, then type draw and choose draw.io diagram. Pick a blank diagram and click create to open the editor. On the left, open the general shape library. Drag a rounded rectangle onto the canvas for the top of the funnel, then drag a trapezoid. To make the trapezoid point downward, select it, open the arrange tab in the format panel and click flip vertical. Stack the rectangle above the trapezoid and resize so the top is wider and the bottom tapers. Use the grid and snapping guides to align edges and center everything for a clean, balanced look. If you prefer precise control, zoom in while adjusting widths and spacing. If your shapes feel cramped, leave a bit of vertical breathing room. White space makes each stage stand out and keeps connectors from overlapping. Consistent spacing between shapes also helps readers understand hierarchy at a glance. Next, customize the appearance. With a shape selected, open the Style tab to set fill colors, border color, and line thickness. Pick a simple palette cut with strong contrast so labels stay readable. A slightly thicker outline on the outer shapes helps the structure pop without adding clutter. Add text by double-clicking a shape and typing the stage name. Keep labels short and increase the font size until it's legible at a typical viewing distance. If a label wraps, expand the shape slightly rather than shrinking the text. To show flow, create connectors by dragging from a connection point on one shape to the next. Add an arrowhead to indicate direction and adjust line style in the Style tab. If connectors cross, use gentle offsets or an elbow route to keep the diagram easy to scan. That's it! You've embedded a draw.io diagram, arranged a rounded rectangle, and a flipped trapezoid to form a funnel, applied consistent styling, labeled each stage, and connected the flow. Your team now has a clear, shareable visualization of the sales journey right inside your Confluence page.